Do you like to swim?
Or run through sprinklers?
What about water balloon fights?
We all like doing those things, right? But do you ever wonder where all that water comes from? In California, we depend on rain and snowpack for the water we use. Snow melts from the mountains and then goes down into rivers and streams to give us water. This is called snowmelt. There's also something called snowpack. Snowpack is a layer of snow that people measure to see and guess how much water we can get from it. Sometimes we have a good amount, but sometimes we don't. When we don't have enough snowpack, it can lead to drought. In California, we have many droughts. We have droughts because of the lack of rainfall, which is partly caused by climate change. Climate change is when the temperature gets warmer, which causes changes in the weather. Climate change doesn't really create droughts, it just makes it worse. We know we can't make it rain, but there are lots of ways we can help lower our water use. This graph shows the number of people that live in Santa Clara County and how much water they use. The green line is how many people live in Santa Clara County, and the blue line is the amount of water they use. As you can see, the amount of people keeps going up, but the blue water line is actually going down because people are learning to use less water and buying low-flow toilets and other low-water appliances like dishwashers. Despite all the good efforts, there's still more people than water. So we need to take action now, so we don't run out of water for all the other fun things we like to do with water. If you want to help save water, you need to understand where all your water goes in your house. Of all the water used in a typical household, more than half is used for landscaping. 10% is used for toilets, another 10% is used for showers, 9.5% is used for laundry, 9% is lost through leaks, 1% is used for baths, and 0.5% is used for running dishwashers. Since droughts are such a problem in California, what are some ways you can help save water?
Well, there are so many ways for us to help save water inside and outside of our house. One example is by taking shorter showers. By taking shorter showers, you can save 2.5 gallons of water each minute. You can even use shower timers to help you. Or even turning off the tap all the way. Just wet your toothbrush and turn off the tap. Put your toothpaste on and brush your teeth. Then just turn the tap back on afterwards. This can save up to 4 gallons of water a minute. That's 220 gallons of water a month. Also, making sure that your toilet has no leaks inside your house. If your toilet has a leak, you could be wasting 200 gallons of water every day. There are also tons of things you can do to help reduce the amount of water you use outside, like watering your plants in the early morning or at night to reduce water evaporation. You can also switch irrigation sprinklers in your garden to a drip system, which directs water to specific plants rather than spraying it all over mulch or other areas of your garden that don't need it. Find out when your sprinklers go on and tell your parents of water waste through evaporation. But the most important thing you can do is switching your lawn to native plants, because native plants don't need that much water compared to grass. Native plants were here long before people came to California. They had to survive by themselves for millions of years without anyone there to water them. But native plants don't just save water. They provide habitat and food for animals like birds and squirrels, and even pollinators like bees and butterflies who help plants reproduce. And native plants look awesome in a garden. On walks with your parents, you can point out native gardens and talk about how they save water. Another thing you can do is get rewards for switching your lawn to native plants. These are called rebates. Rebates are a reward you can get for doing something. In this case, you can take out your lawn, which uses a lot of water, and replace it with low-water landscaping. And your reward is money that can help you pay for your new low-water landscaping. Valley Water offers rebates of $1 to $2 per square foot, depending on where you live. Just ask your parents to go to valleywater.org to apply to replace your lawn with drought-tolerant native plants, and check out all kinds of different rebates for saving water.
You've now learned a lot. So here's a little quiz we've put together. Where do we get a lot of our water from? If you said rain or snow, then you're correct. What percentage of your water in a typical household is lost through leaks? If you said 9%, then you're right.
Why do California native plants use less water? And the answer is, California native plants have adapted to living in our low water environment.
Helpful rebates to awesome native plant gardens. To shower timers, for shorter showers. It's important for all of us to save water. Because droughts and climate change mean less rain, less snow, and less water for everyone to use. So talk with your parents about what you just learned. And remember, you like doing fun things with water, right? Help save water!